Hi, this is Prajwal Srivastava. I am from Aryabhatta batch and I have created my first Python project, which is a snake and ladder, and very common and very uh, popular game. So I have used some imports uh, and some directories and functions, and I have created for I have used this for created my program. So first I have used some import function like time, random, and sys. And I have uses two dice which have value like 6 for mm, receiving a mm, random input for dice. And I have created some snacks that is a key and value, like this is a current value and this is a snack tail. So whenever a snake bite on this position, so user will be reach on this position. Like that, I have created some ladder. So whenever user will on this position, so he will be or they will be up on this position. And I have created some random messages for whenever user got their turn. So this random messages will be printed. I have declared this in below function. Like this, whenever a snake will be bite, so this random function will be created, and whenever ladder jump, so this random function will created. And this is a welcome message, and some rules are printed there for users, that the user will understand how to play and what the exact rule for this game. So this function will use for taking a input from user for like player 1 and player 2 name, and this function will get the dice value that user will hit the enter to take dice value. So there is a two dice, and I have added the both uh, dice value in the dice value. That is my final dice value is the dice underscore value, and this function will print the message whenever player will get a snake bite. So this function will be used uh, for printing the message that this player got a snake bite on this position and he will be dropped on this position. This function is ladder jump. This function used for print the message whenever user get ladder jump. So the message will be printed. This player uh, claim the ladder from this position to the this position. And this is a my main this is my function where I have declared everything, like whenever user will be reach in 90 series, like not 90, it's around 95 or 96 or something else. So if user get some more than value, like user will be 95 and user need only 5 to win, but user gets 6, then this message will be print that you need only 5 to win this game, so keep trying. This message will be printed over there. And this is for when a user get snake bite and later jump. So this will be convert my current value to my final value. Like current value is 10 and user get ladder jump and he jump to 20. So my current value is 10. So current value will be changed into final value, and user will be uh, on the final value is 20. This function will be checking for who will be win. If user will at position 100, then user will be that player will be win. And this dot exit, that means that game will be ended. So this message will be print whenever the player name is there who win this game, and there is some messages will be printed over there. And this is for input 1 and input 2, like player 1 and player 2, for this rolling dice and moving for both the player. And this is my main function that will be start my game. So let's just start the game. I just run this here, welcome message and some rules and regulations, and I have entered the player 1 name and player 2. So the message will be printed. Your turn, hit enter to roll the device. So I have entered hit, and I have got from device 1 is 1 and from dice 2 is 3. So my total roll value is 4. So player will be moved from 0 to 4. So there is no snake and no ladder. So it's normally move. Now I have enter. So there is a 3 and 2. So final dice value is 5. So user will be moved from 0 to 5. So there is also no ladder and no snake. So the player will be rolled 8. So move from 4. 4 is my current position, and 12 is my next position, that is called final position. So 3 is a roll. So on 8 there is a nothing. So it's moved normally. Yes, we got. So player 1, like ABC player rolled 5 and moved from 12 to 17. So there is a ladder. So ABC claimed a ladder from 17 to 14. This is a big ladder. So almost it is on the destination. And now the turn is second player. Okay. So knowing, yeah. ABC roll the 7 and move from 74 to 81. So 81 have a ladder, and ABC player ladder from 81 to 98. It means ABC need only to win. So we have rolled, and yes, the XYZ claimed the ladder and moved from 22 to 37. And again, so it's ruling. Yeah, see, you need two to win for this game. So keep trying. So player one, when he got two, then he will win. Otherwise, he will stay over there. So this is my game. Hope you are enjoy with this. Uh, Thanks for watching.